In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Gemini AI without logging into Google, a working method for 2025. In our increasingly digital world, privacy and convenience are essential, and accessing services without signing into multiple accounts can save you time and streamline your online experience. So let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step guide. Firstly, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This is where we'll begin our journey. Once you're on the Google homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. There, you will see three small dots lined up vertically. This is your menu icon, sometimes referred to as the overflow menu. Go ahead and give that a click. With the menu now open, look for the option that says New Incognito Window. This will open a new browser window in incognito mode. This step is crucial because browsing in incognito prevents your activities from being saved in your browsing history. It also means that you won't be automatically logged into your Google account, which is exactly what we need to achieve our goal. Next, focus your attention on the search bar of this new incognito window. We're going to input a specific search query. Type in @Gemini latest news from Apple as one continuous string of text. This will help direct your search specifically towards news and updates related to Apple that Gemini AI might cover. Once you've typed that in, press Enter on your keyboard. Now, all you need to do is wait for the search engine to generate the results. This shouldn't take more than a moment, and soon you'll be presented with the outcomes of your query. At this point, you have access to the necessary information without having to log into Google. To ensure everything is working smoothly, let's conduct a quick test run. Find and click on the option that says New Chat to initiate a conversation or inquiry with Gemini AI directly. Now, it's time to construct a prompt or a question. For our demonstration, let's use the prompt AI News this week. This allows the AI to fetch current information about artificial intelligence-related topics. After crafting your prompt, locate and click the Submit button. This action sends your inquiry into the system, triggering the AI to process your query and provide you with a timely and relevant response. At this stage, you should now be receiving the information you sought, all without ever logging into your Google account. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to access Gemini AI without any need for a Google login. This method can be a handy tool in maintaining privacy while staying informed and utilizing the power of AI efficiently. Feel free to explore other types of prompts and enjoy the seamless experience that comes with this approach. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.